If your child has an iPhone, what I am about to show you might be the most important setting you change today. Your iPhone already has a built-in website filter that can block adult content and control exactly which websites can be opened. You don't need any third-party apps, it's already there. Let me show you where it is. Open the settings, scroll down to screen time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. From there, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Now scroll down until you see Web Content and tap on it. Here, you'll see three options: Unrestricted, Limit Adult Websites, and Only Approved Websites. If you choose Unrestricted, that means there is no filtering at all. Every website can be accessed freely. For adults, this is completely fine, but for kids, this is not recommended. The second option is Limit Adult Websites. This is the best balance for most families. When you select it, your iPhone will automatically block known adult websites using Apple's internal filtering system. It works mainly in Safari and supported browsers. When you enable this option, two more sections appear: Always Allow and Never Allow. In Always Allow, you can manually add websites that you trust in case they get blocked by mistake. For example, sometimes educational websites might be filtered incorrectly. You can add them here to make sure they always open. In Never Allow, you can manually block any website you don't want accessed. It doesn't even have to be adult content. You can block specific social media sites or any site you feel is inappropriate. This option gives you smart filtering plus manual control. It is not perfect, and very tech-savvy teenagers might try to find ways around it, but for most families, it works very well. Now, the third option is Only Approved Websites. This is maximum restriction mode. If you choose this, the iPhone will only allow access to a specific list of approved websites. You'll see a small list already provided, including some educational and child-friendly sites. You can also tap Add Website and manually add more sites that you approve. If someone tries to open any website that is not on that list, it simply will not load. This basically turns the iPhone into a fully controlled browsing device. This option is perfect for very young children or for iPads used by kids. However, for teenagers or adults, it can feel too restrictive because you have to manually add every single website you want to allow. And again, just like in the previous video, make sure you set a screen time passcode. If you don't, anyone can come in here and switch it back to unrestricted. Set a passcode that is different from your main unlock code. So which option is best? For adults, unrestricted is fine. For most families, limit adult website is the best balance between safety and freedom. For small children, only approved websites gives you full control. Your iPhone already has powerful parental controls built in. You just need to activate them. If this helped you, share it with a parent and follow me for more hidden iPhone features that protect your privacy and your family.